Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. Dorota Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today we are going to do those quick and easy nail art. I hope you really enjoy learning it. Have a preview of it in here. Also, if you're new in here, hit the subscribe button as there is lots of tutorials coming up every Monday, Wednesdays and Saturday. Let's start. This is a must-learn design, guys. It's absolutely amazing for any kind of salon work, and my clients love it. Like on the baby boomer, on a plain set of the nails, just one color nails, like on those kind of ombre nails. It looks fantastic, and we are going to use 165 Sexy Grey, and I feel like it's a really nice autumny, wintry color, and it has those pearly shimmer to it, so it's really really nice shade. I'm just going to apply this color in as our background. Now, when we're working with those kind of metallic colors, guys, make sure, like as you can see it, I've got some dust particles in there. Make sure you have no dust particles at first, and then secondly, when you're brushing it on, kind of try to brush in the same direction, just so your brushes lines are quite nice. So the application takes a little bit longer on those colors, but they're really nice and beautiful. I'm going to remove the dust excess from my tip so it doesn't happen again to me. It's almost like a chromey effect, really beautiful. Then cure it in. And same on this one. So again, remove the dust really properly, just so we not struggle with the application. So definitely the nails need to be really nicely buffed and smooth for the application of those kind of colors. They're so beautiful. Look at those shimmer, really interesting. Okay, we can do a second layer. It could probably get away with the one layer, but I like to get those perfection on those lines, just so it's really clean application. And because of the shade of this color, you could easily add on some either a gold or silver detail into it, and it will look also fantastic. But I'm going to show you those swirly work because it's always looking amazing, like, and you cannot go wrong, especially for the clients which don't want too much on their nails, but they want a little something on the ring finger. So I definitely use this technique a lot. And then we are going to use the watercolor brush and some white French gel. It's always fantastic for those type of designs, like, and much quicker. Okay, so grab it in, just like a whisk scoop. You can also touch it on the mixing palette as well, and then let's paint it. So here I want the design to start in the middle. So press very hard and then light, and you can see it, we have created kind of like a nice shape of the swirly work. Go opposite direction, press it really hard, and then press it gentle. Again, press it very hard, and then gentle. And opposite direction, very hard and gentle. Hard and gentle. Okay, I'm already happy with it because we don't want to overdo it. Let's give it a cure. On this one, we will go on that side. Like that's where the pearls are going to be. So press it hard. You can even give it almost like a wee shaky motion to it. One below and another one on the top. There isn't wrong or good with this technique, honestly, guys. Press it hard. And the brush almost splits into those petals and into those different shapes. Like, look how pretty it is. Almost like a frosted look. Cure it. And because it's done so quick, my clients are always like, oh, wow, that's so pretty. They really love it. And here I'm going to place it on the top. Yeah, that's already quite nice. Cure it. Next step is to grab some base gel, and I'm always securing my crystals with the Upvoted base gel. So grab some base gel, some old brush, and we want some crystal there. I'm going to use the pearls because I feel like because the background is kind of pearl, it is going to go with this design. And then the gem picker. Let's do one large. And then some small one and small one. So I've got 3 in here. Okay, give it a cure. Same on this one. So we can see it very speedy designs. Medium one. That's plenty. Sometimes less is more. And then on this one, I really love this one. It looks so pretty even on its own when it's not finished yet. So we're going to do it nice and medium size. And again, that's plenty. Wait for it to freeze. High Shine No Wipe Top Gel. So top coat our design. And it looks kind of, this one looks kind of unfinished. So I'm going to show you what is our next step. Honestly, you have to learn those designs for a salon work. My dog snoring again. This one is so pretty. Check how the top coat is reflecting the light, just to make sure you're happy with it. I also tell you guys that I was kind of scared to use the larger brushes for a nail art because I felt like if I will be using a small brushes, I can paint it smaller parts and I can paint it better. But since I start using the watercolor brush, the slightly bigger one, my work become much cleaner, I would say, like especially for painting those more advanced design like faces and things like that. I don't spend like hours like playing with such a small brush. I can just like color in things quicker, and I can do slightly different types of the design. So it's a really great time saver, producing a nice result as well. So now we are going to swap into the D-liner brush, and again using the French gel, I'm going to decorate it, like kind of finish it off and add those details. So you can see it, my brush is clean. I've got just a tiny bit of the product halfway through my brush, and I want to pick up like a wee blob at the end. Now you can clearly see this blob. So let me explain that, because some of you asked me, if I want to pick up the lines, I'm dragging the product, so I have no blob. If I want to grab the blob, I'm just going sidewise, and then I can pick up the blob. And this blob is really helpful if you want to paint a nice design, because you've got thicker, and then you can go and drag it thinner. That gives a really nice shape into your kind of line work. So now I'm just decorating and adding more detail into the design which we have created. Okay, and this one I want some line running through it. Some line. And another line. I'm also needing something around these parts. Too much product, remove the excess. And all what I'm doing is I'm just placing my brush again and just drag it. Okay, that's it, finished. Like, I don't want to overdo it. Grab some, you could leave it the way it is. You don't have to do that step. You can see it, it still looks quite nice and pretty. But I'm just going to get a nice sparkle over it and put some sugar glitter. So grab the sugar glitter and sprinkle it. Because we apply it no wipe top gel, it's going to stick in only to the white paint. Let's cure it. Always double cure. Oh, this one is amazing. This one is absolutely amazing. I'm not going to twist maybe my hand so you can guys also see it, how it's painted without of twisting the hand. Okay, so I'm still doing those same movements where I've got thicker product and then running thinner. I want to add something in there. I love this one because it's a little visible and it's not visible, so I don't want to break it. Go on the opposite direction. Add something in this empty spot. And to be honest, it's quite nice and pretty. I'm just going to leave it alone. She says and keeps adding more. That's it. No more, no more. Sprinkle it. So you can see it, we have just added lines, like it's all with the light press, harder press, light press, harder press. And then the third one, and then I can show you the final results. So we've got a few different ideas for your clients. So on this one, I will go blob, then drag it in. Blob and drag it in. Blob, drag it, blob and drag it, blob and drag it. Also add some swirly parts. So 1, 2, so pretty already. 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last one. Sprinkle in. Same movements, just a slightly different direction of the hand. Okay, let's cure it. Oh no, did I put it inside? Yes, I did. I'm terrible. Sometimes I am terrible. Okay, the first one is ready, so put my products on the side. Clean the excess of it. And you can see it, how pretty design we have created, like in a matter of minutes, like really, you cannot go wrong with it. So let's place it there. No, maybe there. Okay, next one. Remove the excess. It's really interesting because we've got some light, like different shades, and it looks so complicated, but it's kind of nice and easy to do it. You have to definitely, guys, try it, those sort of swirly work designs, because they look fantastic. And this one is my favorite one, definitely. So I can show you all 3 of them. There we are. Really nice and pretty. Absolutely fantastic for this time of the year. And I hope you have, guys, really enjoyed this tutorial. Sending you glittery hugs, and bye for now.